Hello guys, good morning! So ngayon is mag-story tayo about sa nangyari last Monday. What date is today? Today is Thursday and last Monday pa to nangyari sa amin. And then hindi ko lang binla kasi kabang-kaba ako that time nung nangyari nun. And that time din is si Rowena, kung hindi nyo alam, si Rowena ay bumalik doon sa probinsya. So ako lang muna dito yung nagbantay bata 1, 2, 3. Kami lang dito ni Mihaw. Buti na lang is before siya bumalik is dumating din yon si Mihaw para meron kaming kasama dito. Kasi alam mo yon, nakakatakot na sa panahon ngayon. And then, sabi nyo nga sa comment section na, ayun, hindi naman namin pinapublic, no, kung saan kami talaga yung location namin. But, ayun na nga, last Monday is dumating din tong si Rowena, yung nag-aalaga kay Lily. And, maaga silang dumating, but that time is, hindi daw nila nakita. Nung pagpasok niya, wala pa naman yun, di ba? Oh, wala pa. And then, ayun, that time is marami kaming meeting na pupuntahan. And then, mga pinapatawag sa kapitan, ganun. Kaya ngayon lang din ako nakapag-vlog dahil ngayon is unti-unti naming nalalaman kung sino yung mga taong yon. Yung mga tao na yon, yung tatlong Pilipino, punta talaga sila dito sa aming apartment and clear up nila yung name at wala naman silang mga bad intention, guys. So, good to know na yun yung na okay lang. Hindi yung mga imagination natin. And then, yung na lang, is yung dalawang afam sa loob ng van. Bakit nila pinapakita yung aming apartment sa kaniyang kausap? Dahil nga may number na yun sa akin si mamang police is tumawag siya sa akin. Ayun na nga, sin-explain niya yung nangyari is yung may-ari daw ng van is pumunta doon dahil nakita din nila yung post ni Mihaw, yung sa Facebook, yung 3.2 million followers. Nakita nila yung yung aming na-post na strange situation in front of our house. And then, sabi nga nila is kanang wala daw, in-explain nga ng may-ari na kaibigan niya daw yung dalawang foreigner na sakay ng van. And then, yung dalawang foreigner daw is nasaag ba sila? Naligaw sila sa dito banda sa amin. Kaya pinapakita daw niya yung location kung nasaan na sila sa yung may-ari ng van. So, yun yung nangyari. Hindi pala yung iniisip namin na, kung sa video kasi kung titigan nyo, nakamotor yung mga Pilipino and then sila nasa loob ng van, may pinapakita. Alam mo yun, na-coincidence. At then, kami kasi hindi na kami naniniwala sa coincidence. At like, meron na kaming trust issue. So, hopefully is maintindihan nyo kami, no? Kasi nga, na trauma na biya kami sa mga pangyayari dito sa amin sa Pilipinas. Nakakatrauma na lahat ng mga nangyari dito. But we're trying to move on. But it's not easy to move on, no? Like, slowly by slowly, we want, but it's not that easy. But ayun na nga, kung nakita nyo sa other social media account namin is hindi kami masyadong gumagawa ng mga videos, funny videos like before. There's nothing to be happy naman. Like, karon man good is lugmok pa kami. Like, bati pa kayo among paminaw. Like, nakita nyo naman, no? Like, I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you see in my face if I'm happy or not, but that's how it is. Na it's not easy to be happy when you're not. Ikaw ba, pag nasa sitwasyon ka namin, malipay ba ka? But sa ako ang apart, guys, no, the most important for me is my family. Like, bisa kahit na wala akong maraming pera, basta okay lang yung pamilya ko. My family is okay. And my babies are healthy. That's the most important. And we are all healthy. And everyone around us is, is good and nothing bad happen. That's my happiness. And I'm not thinking about my own happiness right now. But, so for me as a content creator, I don't think making funny videos right now because it's looks like I don't feel it. Yeah, yun na nga, yung sabi ko na it's not easy to be happy when you're not. Kasi nga, I'm not happy na magagawa-gawa ng mga content like before. Maybe soon when it's, makamove on ako gamay, I will try my best to, I'm trying my best to be funny man, but sometimes it's not pretending it's not enough to feel that you're happy. Pretending is not enough na. Ang pangit kasi mag-pretend ka na happy ka tapos hindi. Kaya sometimes we can be happy in our own way. Sumaya na lang kayo dyan. Gumawa na lang kayo ng content. Kayo na mag-content creator muna kasi na stress pa ang inyong content creator nga ay katok. Ang busy pa rin, busy pa rin ang catch as of the moment. I'm trying to learn and trying to cope up those things happening around us, and of course trying to be a mother and a wife and trying to be a manager, like I'm trying to build like more family, like connecting to our lives, yung mga people that we just met. We need to meet more people. Yes, good morning. How are you, my baby love? How are you?
Good.
How are you? Where's Mamay? Where's Mamay kiss? Where's Mamay kiss? Mamay kiss.
Now can you let me go?
Huh?
Can you let me go?
Why you want to go? Why you want to go? I don't want you to go.
I will not go outside.
And where you want to go? I miss you.
I want to play with Lily.
Where is Lily right
I
now?
want to play with Lily and Charlie.
Sarap ng bebe ni Mama. Sarap ng bebe ni Mama. Nam, nam, nam.
Mama. Where's Tata?
I love you.
Mama, where's Tata?
You love me?
Yeah.
Kiss Mama and hug.
But where's
You don't love me.
Mama, but where's Tata?
You don't love me. You're just giving me your back. You're just giving me your back. You don't love me.
But I'm
You don't.
but I sang you if where's my Tata?
You're asking if we're in the toilet. Who's that pretty girl?
Pretty girl.
Who's that? Good morning. Kiss. Where's Mama kiss? Where's Mama kiss?
Oh.
Where's my kiss?
Here again.
Where is my kiss? Where is my kiss? Oh no, no kiss. Love you.
Oh no! It's Mama.
What is that? What is your plan today?
Waves.
Today is raining. Look at that. It's raining.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1,
Now they're awake.
go.
It's too early in the morning, and so it's too early in the morning. I'm not going to the site yet. We are going to spend time with babies. Babies are here. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Mama, I'm strong now.
Oh, really? What did you do?
Mama, this is my Tata Tiger. This is me Tiger.
Wow.
Auntie said to me.
Yeah, that's
Because
Tata
because
Tiger.
they know I show something in their phone.
Oh.
Tata Tiger go to the mountain to climb it, and the Tata Tiger left me.
Oh no. And then what did you do when Tata Tiger left you?
And And I abandoned him.
What? Come again?
And I abandoned him.
And ran to him?
Yeah, they were then the flash.
Oh, or run to him looks like, you ran to him as like a flash? Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, what else? What is your plan today?
My plan today we go at the video.
Where? Where do you want to go?
I want to go with Tatan and the one to the video.
To the video? What is that?
The video first one.
Oh, Charlie. Hey, Lily.
What of the Lego?
But Lily finger,
Mama,
where are
the
you?
Lego Duplo of
Oh, be careful, you. Allah.
Mama!
Yes.
Why push me to leave?
It's not me.
I want to talk to you. I want to say my another plan.
Okay, what is your plan?
My plan is we need to go with you to the video plant with you and Charlie to the Lego video plant and the shopping Lego and then we can going on me to the video plant with my sister.
What did Charlie done to you?
He pushed
I know, no hitting. Charlie want to play. Eh, Charlie! Charlie! No, Charlie.
He wants to play.
Ito talagang si Charlie nagpipiting kasi. Ayaw, patul. Ayaw, patul. So guys, Tata is still on the toilet and later is okay, update you guys later. See you. Hello guys, good morning. For those who are new in my channel, my name is Jarly, and for today's video I'm going to tell you something what I have here in my hand. So guys, we have here the tubular tube. Why we have the tubular tube? Kasi ngayon lang kami na in our case, as you guys know, we are the one who continue the house that our contractor built us. And if I don't mention that to you, maybe I mentioned that we don't have any blueprint to any of that buildings that he built for us. We don't have any blueprint. So right now we decided that before I asked him that I asked him before where is our blueprint, and he is like giving us something that in the bond paper it's not color blue, it's bond paper only, it's color white. And that time, since I don't know what is the blueprint look like, and when what do you call with that? When that thing is exploding already, that's what is going on with our building. Na wala pa lang talagang blueprint and everything. So doon ko na nalaman na wala talagang kahit ni isang blueprint na pinagawa siya sa amin, that never needing binigay sa amin yung blueprint. Kaya ngayon na ako nakapag-order nitong tubular. So i-open natin. How looks is the tubular for the blueprint. Kasi nga nagpagawa na kami ng blueprint na sa amin. Nung time na nalaman namin na wala talagang blueprint yung mga building na yun. Pag wala kang blueprint, so paano ka makakagawa ng building permit? So, lahat ng building na yon is walang building permit yung pinagawa niya mga building doon sa amin. So, ngayon is meron na kaming blueprint. Kaya, ayan na, nakapagbili na si Oka ng, diba, 3 yarn. O, ayan na guys. Nakapabili na. Kasi nga, binigay na sa amin ng engineer na gumawa ng blueprint. Binigay niya na sa amin yung blueprint namin, at walang na tatakot ako baka masira ba. like magasgas. Ang mahal-mahal pa naman yung blueprint na yun. Like 100 plus yung binayaran namin. Lahat na sa lahat ng building na iyon na pinapagawa namin. 100 plus yung binayaran namin. So, this is it, pansit. Para hindi masira. Taod-taod na namin na-receive yung guys, yung... Matagal ko na itong in-order. But ngayon lang dumating. But anyway, the important is hindi pa na totally gas-gas yung ating blueprint na na-receive from our engineer. Ito, they have... Tatlo man yun. I'm just thinking, no, na hindi magkasya yung... Wow! You can step on this, love. You can play with that. Tatlo yung in-order ko. Kasi tatlo ba yung building na iyon, guys, yung pinagawa namin. So, this is how it looks like. The tubular para sa building blueprint. Natin yung isa. Kasi pareha lang naman sila tatlo. Oops. Ito yung kulay black. And let's open. This is how it looks. Meron siyang lace dito. And then, you can check. Ano siya guys? Adjustable siya. Ayan. Adjustable siya. Oh. Pwede siyang ma-adjust kung gaano kataas yung blueprint na yung meron ka. So, hindi siya maano. Ayan. Meron siyang adjustanan. And then, this is how it looks. Yun lang. Lagay mo lang siya dito sa loob. Tarang. I think one building, one like this. Para hindi matiurok mo agad-agad kasi ang mahal-mahal pa naman ng blueprint. Kaya save what is the most expensive one. Kahit hindi expensive, kailangan natin isave basta importante. Like mga resibo, oh my lord. Resibo na lang talaga yung atin. So tatlo to kasi nga tatlong building yung pinapagawa natin. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Mamaya na natin to i-open yung yung dalawa. Isa lang for the example. So, maganda siya kasi nga para siyang like elastic yan. Hindi, kanang marang guma siya ba? Mala plastic na malaguma. Maganda. Hindi siya mabibiak. Depende kung yung slice mabibiak siya pero pag okay lang. Tapos meron pa siyang lace. Isang and malak siya of course. It depends on how tall is your blueprint. Kapag vlog today, kasi nga busy kami kanina, meron kaming mga meeting, pumunta kami dito, punta doon, and then nag-change kami ng sa bahay, yung door ni Mihaw ba sa kanyang storage, sa kanyang office ay pinalitan kasi nga yung nabili namin kahapon na door is mali yung napili. Kaya bumalik na naman sila doon, binalik yung door at pinalitan ng yung para sa right, pero yung para sa right yung pag-open is wala nang the same size. Kaya yung ginawa, pinadestroy na naman yung wall doon para ma-fit yung para sa right na right na door. And then, malaki man yung available, like malaki-laki ba, kaya pinag-cut na naman doon sa wall. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys, but right now I'm going to eat since I don't eat yet and it's already afternoon. Yan na.